Facebook groups have been huge for businesses and creators, but then multiple new platforms came along and everyone wondered if groups were dead. If you're asking the same question, I have got some news for you. Mark Zuckerberg recently hinted at the return of OG Facebook, which can mean big things for groups. So to answer the question, should you still be using groups? Yes, let's find out why. Hey there! Today we're discussing Facebook groups and everything that you should know to decide if groups are the right step for your business or not. Firstly, let's get the stats out of the way quickly. Facebook has more than 3 billion monthly active users and more than 1.8 billion people tuning in especially for groups. In plain terms, that's a huge audience, even more than total user base of many social platforms out there. Now that we have this cleared out, let's discuss the latest features that will make your Facebook group experience interesting. First and foremost, advanced admin tools. Facebook has made it easier for group admins to manage and moderate their communities. There are tools like Admin Assist, which can help you automate post approvals, manage membership requests, and even flag content that doesn't fit your group's theme. This means less time spent on manual moderation and more time engaging with your community. Next up, new group insights. Another game changer is the updated group insights section. You can now see detailed information about what types of posts are driving the most engagement, when your members are most active, and what kind of content your group is responding to. This means you get to use real data to shape your strategy and make your group thrive. For the third feature, we have Facebook events. If you're running a virtual workshop, product launch, or live Q&A, you can now easily create events within your group. This makes it easier to get members to show up and engage in real time. It's a great way to drive live interaction and keep your group excited about what's coming next. And lastly, group chat. Facebook now has group chats, which allow members to chat in real time about specific topics or even share advice with one another. It's a simple way of making the group feel more like a community. Beyond these current features, there are 3 major trends shaping where Facebook groups are headed. First, community-based marketing is becoming central to business strategy. Brands now want to engage directly with their customers, and Facebook groups can help them do so. Second, there's a growing emphasis on quality engagement over quantity, which means groups that foster genuine conversations will see better reach and growth as this continues. Third, we're seeing community tools becoming more specialized. Rather than just being discussion forums, groups are evolving into spaces for learning, commerce, and support. With all these interesting features in its arsenal and a user base exceeding 1.8 billion, Facebook groups aren't going anywhere. They're only bound to become stronger as Facebook continues investing in community features. Now, to further help you take the next steps, I have 2 surprise resources for you linked in the description below. First, a detailed guide on how to create a Facebook group. And second, a free tool to help you analyze your Facebook page performance. With both these resources, you will be able to figure out where you currently stand and how you can improve your engagement metrics in this year. For more such valuable insights, don't forget to subscribe, Vaizle.